Another thing that was getting a lot of traction was the mouth tape. And the reason why I wear this is because I'm a heavy mouth breather. And I was doing more research. You know, the people who are heavy mouth breathers at night, they don't get good sleep. And I realized if I just tape my mouth, I think my sleep can get better.
I started mouth taping about 5 months ago when I saw that Ashton Hall video, and look at how much my facial structure has changed. Mouth taping prevents you from mouth breathing, which is really detrimental to your health and can actually reshape the way your face looks over time. If you guys want to get a sharper jawline and see these insane benefits, then I would give mouth taping a try. The best part is it's even on sale right now. I dropped the link right here.